Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw another Fortnite Battle Pass skin. This time it's the awesome looking Eternal Night. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's a little bit more complicated, but it's actually not too bad. Okay, we're gonna start out with the area right over the eye first. Just drawing like a little V shape. Okay, so it's gonna be right over the eyes, and then from here on the corners just come down. This is gonna be the side of the face, and now I'm gonna draw the inside. Just come in slightly, just come down. This one's gonna slant down, same slant as this. And then for the inside here, we'll go straight down. I know it's very strange looking right now, but we'll connect all those lines. And then on this side, just draw a little curve going that way, nice and sharp. Okay, and then the eye's gonna be in here, so right underneath the slant right here, just draw a little curve. Same thing on this side. And I know we can't see the details inside, but I'm just gonna draw a little line here. So this will be the bottom of the face. Okay, once we have this, the rest is a little bit easier. I'm gonna extend this line. I'm gonna draw one line right here from the middle. It's got a really long top right there. Okay, once you have this middle line, come back to the top. Just draw a little arrow. And then from here, just curve in and then go out and connect to that. So just give it a slight curve. Alright, and then for some details, just right around here, I'm just gonna draw another slant, same as this. And then for the ear on the side, it's got some armor there. This is one big triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna add in a little bit more detail to the armor right now. So I'm gonna draw one line on the bottom here, and then just kind of go up. Just follow the same curve on the outside. And then right here, make a little point, and now just connect to the very ends right there, so make it nice and sharp. Come over here, make a dot, and then connect. Make it nice and sharp. And then on the side here, same thing, just kind of one line coming in. And then just go back out, so it's a little bit wider on the sides. And let me shade in the face area all black. It's gonna look a lot cooler. Alright, so that's a really cool looking face mask there. So now we're gonna draw in the body. Just come down right here, it's got a little scarf. So just slant out and then just kind of come toward the center. I'm gonna add in a few lines just to make it look like cloth. And then now for the body, just come in here, draw two slants. This is gonna be the armpit. And then from these corners here, just curve in to the center. So this is gonna be the hip area. Okay, and let's draw in the waist here. So just come out right around here. Come down, and then I'll just close that off first. So the belt's gonna be right around here. Alright, so for the arms, he's got those really big shoulder pads. So I'm gonna start right here. Just one big bump first. Go out, so we're right around here. And And then we'll come back in here, right to the armpits. And then on the top here, just one little angle. And then right on the top here, close to the center of this, just one big spike. Okay, so now let's come down for the arms. So here's the armpit. Just gonna come down, come right around here, close that off. So that's gonna be the bicep. Now I'm gonna extend this line here. This one's gonna come straight down. And on the inside here, slant, and then slight curve, just come here, close it off. So here's the wrist. Okay, so let's try it on this side. So from the armpit, slant down, come right around here. So it's almost like a little bar. I'm gonna extend this. This one's gonna come straight down to right around here. Now on the inside, slant and then curve, close it off. And let's see, let's add a little spike here. And then right in the center of this, just gonna draw a line. And then for the fist, very simple. From here, it's one little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Dip down and then just kind of tuck it right underneath the thumb. And if you want to add in extra details, just one little line there for the other fingers. Okay, same thing here. Come down with a hook. Back of the fist. Dip down and then tuck it up. And then again, one little line here. Alright, so for this one, we're going to draw in the whole thigh first. So we're going to continue with this curve. Let's go all the way down. So this is going to be the top of the knee. And then right in here, let's draw a line. And this will be the armor for the knee. And then once you have this line, just curve in to the center. Let's make it nice and sharp. Okay, so now let's come back up here. Let's draw in the belt. From this corner, slant down. And then whatever slant you have here, just come down and draw another one. And then now for the belt buckle, just gonna draw two lines. And she's got some cloth right here. So I'm gonna start right here. Come straight down. Just gonna zigzag right here. And then just go out all the way to the side. And then for the cloth on the back, I'm just gonna add a little detail right here. Curve out. And then just tuck it right behind the legs. Okay, so once we have all this, we have to finish up the legs. So we're gonna draw in an almost a straight line, but give it a slight curve. Okay, so those are the thighs, and then now for the lower leg, we'll flare out, and we can actually close this off first. Now for the lower leg here and the armor part, just curve, and this one is straight down. Close it off. Curve, straight down. Close it with a slight curve going up. And then now for the foot, curve down here, and this one's gonna go out a little bit more on this side. We'll close that off. So this one comes down a little bit faster, and then this one's gonna go out a little bit more. and then close it off. Okay, so that's the full body, and now we can add in some more detail here. This detail in the armor, just one line and then just two little angles on the side. So you can look at the reference photo and see all those little details, and you can always add in more if you want. On the knee here, two lines and then just go out. And that is it for this Eternal Night. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.